Hello dear students, now I am continuing the miscellaneous exercise of chapter 9 and this is last class for this chapter. Just up to the question 9 in the previous class was completed, and now take question 10. Solve the differential equation y e to the power x by y. So question 10, given equation, solution, question 10. Okay, so y given equation is y e to the power x upon y dx equals to x e to the power x by y dx equals to x e to the power x by y minus plus y square dy plus y square dy and y equals to not 0. So we have to solve this differential equation. Okay, so this type of equation is given equation 10 of exercise, miscellaneous exercise. So for solving this, we know for homogeneous differential equation, or we can also set it as here, if we will find dy by dx, then we cannot write it in terms of, because x by y dividing by y, x by y, here y, no, it cannot be written. It is not homogeneous equation. Okay, and also not separable form. We can see that x by y and x by y. So here just try to write this equation as just write dy by dx is equals to y e to the power x by y dx equals to x e to the power x by y dy plus y square dy. Just we write like this. It is not variable separable form, it is not homogeneous equation, and also we cannot write it in terms of linear differential equation. Just we expand this. Okay, now see here, just y e to the power x by y dx minus x e to the power x by y dy equals to y square dy. Just write it like this. Okay, and taking common e to the power x by y, e to the power x by y taking common, then we see that y dx minus x dy. We will get like this, equals to y square dy. This can be written as like also e to the power x by y dx by dy. Just taking this in this part minus x upon y square equals to 1. We can write like this. Okay. Now put e to the power x by y equals to t and differentiate with respect to y. Differentiate with respect to y on both sides. So with respect to y. So e to the power x by y, then this. Now differentiation of x by y with respect to y. With respect to y. Okay, e to the x by y, e to the x by y, and differentiation of x by y with respect to y is equals to dt by dy. So this implies e to the power x by y, numerator upon denominator, division formula for differentiation with respect to y. So y square, denominator into differentiation of numerator, dx by dy minus differentiation of denominator with respect to y by 1 into x. This is equals to dt upon dy. Okay, so left hand side is equals to dt by dy. Implies dt upon dy equals to 1. This is equals to 1. Okay, now integrating on both sides with respect to y. Integrating on both sides. You can write like this, dt equals to dy on both sides. We get what? Integration of dt equals to integration of dy plus c, implies t equals to y plus c, implies t means what? E to the power x by y equals to y plus c. This is constant which is required solution. Clear? So this is the solution of question 10. E to the x by y equals to y plus c. This is the required solution. Okay. Now take question 11. Question 11. What is 11? Find particular solution of differential equation x minus 1 dx plus dy, dx minus dy, given that y minus 1 x 0. Particular solution. That means after finding general solution, we have to find also value of the constant by using the condition. Clear? So here, given differential equation is x minus y dx plus dy equals to dx minus dy. Clear? This is the given differential equation, dx minus dy, and given that y equals to minus 1, x equals to 0. This is given. Okay, this is condition y equals to minus 1 when x equals to 0. We have to solve this differential equation. So first of all, we have to find general solution. Clear? General solution, for general solution, just write the value of dy by dx first. So x dx minus y dy dx plus x dy minus y dy equals to dx minus dy. Okay, just multiply. Okay, x dx minus y dx and x dy minus y dy. Here just combine dx. X dx minus y dx minus dx plus x dy minus y dy plus dy. This is equals to 0. Just transfer and combine it. Okay, so dy means 1 plus x minus y upon, this is dy. You can write like this. Here dy common 1 plus x minus y plus here taking minus sign, minus dx outside, so 1 plus y minus x dx equals to 0. This is equals to 0. Okay, so from here dy upon dx, just transfer to right hand side and dx, take dx on the denominator on the left hand side, and then we can get here what, 1 plus y minus x upon 1 plus x minus y, just like this. Right hand side 1 plus y minus x, minus minus plus, so here 1 plus 1 plus y minus x, so minus is common, so minus is transferred to right hand side, so plus, so 1 plus y minus x by 1 plus x minus y. Just we get like this. This is not homogeneous equation and not separable form. Okay, and we cannot be fit for the linear differential equation. Okay, so what we have to do, just put x minus y equals to t, implies x minus y equals to t, and then we can solve it. Clear? So differentiate with respect to x, then 1 minus dy upon dx equals to dt by dx. X minus y equals to t, and differentiate with respect to x, then 1 minus dy by dx equals to dt by dx. So we can write dy by dx here. Dy by dx equals to what? 1 minus dt by dx. We can write. So dy by dx equals to 1 minus dt by dx equals to 1 plus, here x minus y equals to t. So minus can be taken common. So 1 minus can be taken common, 1 minus x minus y. Okay, minus x plus y. Here 1 plus x minus y. So 1 minus t upon 1 plus t. So this is equals to, now dt by d. This is the separable form equation. How can write? Dt by dx equals to 1 minus t by 1 plus t. Just we can write like this, transfer to right hand side and left hand side, and this is equals to what? Dt by dx equals to 1 plus t minus 1 minus t upon 1 plus t. This is equals to what? 1 plus t minus 1 minus t means 1 plus t minus 1 cancel, t plus t 2t, 2t by 1 plus t here. Clear? So dt by dx equals to 2t by 1 plus t, that is separable form equation in t and x. So we can solve it. Okay, implies dt by dx equals to 2t upon 1 plus t. Clear? So this, just write like this, 1 plus t upon 2t dt equals to dx. Okay, so integrate it. Integration 1 plus t upon 2t dt equals to dx plus c. So here 1 by 2t, 1 by 2 integration of 1 by t dt plus 1 by 2 integration of dt, dt cancel, 1 by 2 integration dt, integration 1 by t to outside is equals to integration dx plus c. So what? Half log t plus half t equals to x plus c. So this is, and t equals to what? X minus y. So implies half of can be transferred to right hand side. So log of mod x minus y value of t equals to x minus y 2x plus c, c dash, c dash, c dash, 2c dash. Okay, we can write like this, log x minus y plus x minus y equals to 2x plus c can be written, implies log x minus y is equals to x transferred to right hand side, 2x minus x, x plus y plus c. So this is general solution. Now we have to find the value of constant by using the condition. Okay. After this line, suppose this is 1. Now y equals to minus 1 when x equals to 0. Therefore y minus 1, y minus 1. So log of x0 y minus 1 equals to 0 minus 1 plus c, implies log 1, log mod 1 equals to 0 minus 1 plus c, log 1 equals to 0, 0 equals to 0 minus 1 plus c, implies c equals to 1, constant 1. Okay. Thus particular solution is given by, how particular solution given by putting c equals to 1 here, log of x minus y equals to x plus y plus 1. Okay, this is the solution of 11. Okay, clear? So this is the method for finding particular solution. Also 12 is also solve differential equation this, and 13 find particular solution. Solve the differential equation. Just I am discussing 2-3 questions in short. Okay, the 13 and 14, just see how can we solve these 2 questions. 12 and 13. 12. Solve the differential equation e to the power minus 2 root x upon root x 12 e to the power minus 2 root x upon root x minus y by root x, y by root x, dx by dy equal to 1, dx by dy equals to 1, here x is not equals to 0. This given differential equation is, we have to solve it. It is a minus 2 root x by root x minus y by root x. Okay, ds by dy equals to this 2. Here we can see that the equation is not variable separable form, that is x and y. If we can write dy by dx equal to this. This is not separable form. X and y cannot be separated, and also it is not homogeneous equation, very clear from here, and not directly linear differential equation, but it can be converted to the form of linear differential equation. Dx by dy, here dx upon dy plus p x equals to q. X, p and q are function of, p is function of y, q is function of y. P y means p is function of y, q is function of y. And if will be what? If it is the integration of p dy. Solution what? Y in x, so x if equals to integration of q if into dx, because y plus c. This is solution. If in this format, this is if, this is solution. This is the format. In this format you can convert it. So dx by dy is equals to it can be converted in a standard form, x format. Okay, x format. dy by dx, y is function of x, so y and dx. First format is there. Okay, here we can write dx by dy equals to what? 1 upon. Dx by dy equals to 1 upon. Go to the denominator on the right hand side. E to the power minus 2 root x upon root x minus y upon root x. Y upon root x. This is the format. This is not in a standard format. So invert it. Okay? Take it inverse. So we can get dy by dx equals to inverse. Go to the numerator. So it is minus 2 root x upon root x minus y upon root x. Take it inverse. And this is the format dy upon dx plus 1 upon root x y equals to the power minus 2 root x upon root x. This is dy upon dx plus p y equals to q, where p is equals to 1 by root x to the power minus 1 by 2, and q equals to e to the power minus 2 root x upon root x. This is in this format. Okay, it can be solved by using this method. So if will be what? If, it's if integration factor is equals to the power integration of p dx, e to the power integration of p means 1 by root x dx, that is e to the power x to the power minus half dx, that is e to the power minus half, x to the power minus half plus 1, x to the power half and half 2 root x. Okay, x to the power plus half upon 1 by 2 to 2 root x. IF is this. There, its solution is y into if equals to integration of q if dx plus c. So y if means e to the power 2 root x equals to integration q means minus 2 root x by root x into if e to the power 2 root x dx plus c. So here it is a minus 2 root x plus 2 root x, cancel out both, it is equal to 0, so 1, so 1 upon root x dx plus c. So this is equals to what? X to the power minus half, so 2 root x plus c. So y to the power 2 root x equals to this. So this is the solution. Okay, so solution is y e to the power 2 root x equals to 2 root x plus c. This is the solution, which is required solution, which is okay. Question 12, very simple, to convert it to linear differential equation. Now question 13, just I will discuss it in short because this is what particular solution. So you have to solve it completely in your copy. Okay, so here for getting particular solution, dy by dx y cot x 4x cosec x, dy by dx plus y cot x into y equals to 4x cosec x. This is given. Okay, and condition is given y0 x pi by 2, y0 x pi by 2, y0 x pi by 2, and x equal to not 0, x equal to not 0. Okay, this is the condition also given. Particular solution, we have to find particular solution. That means first of all we have to find general solution which will contains arbitrary constants, and after the finding general solution we have to find the value of constant by using this constant condition. Okay, so it is very clear that dy by dx equals dy by dx plus py equals to q, where p means cot x and q means 4x cosec x. Therefore if equals to what? If equals to e to the power integration of p dx, e to the power integration of cot x dx, e to the power log sin x equals to sin x, since a equals to e to the power log a. Okay, sin x is our if. So its solution is what? Solution is y into if equals to integration of q if dx plus c. So implies y into sin x, if integration factor sin x equals to integration of q 4x cosec x into sin x plus c. So this is y sin x equals to, yes, cosec x into sin x 1, so 4 integration x dx plus c. This is equals to 4 x square by 2 plus c y sin x So y sin x equals to 2x square plus c. Clear? So this is our solution, and by using this condition we can get constant. Since y equals to 0 and x equals to pi by 2, therefore here y equals to 0, that means 0 equals to y equals to 0 2x square pi by 2 square plus c. So c equals to what? Minus pi by pi square by 2. 2 square 2 cancel, so pi square by 2. So c equals to pi minus pi square by 2. Therefore final solution is what? Just put the value here. So y sin x equals to 2x square minus pi square by 2. Clear? Thus particular solution is, just put the value here, y sin x equals to 2x square minus pi square by 2. Clear? Okay. Now question 14, you can solve it just like particular solution. Okay. 14. Is just finding particular solution. X plus y 1 divided by dx will be to the power 2 to the power y minus 1. So x plus 1 dy by dx equals to 2 e to the power minus y minus 1. Given that this is condition when y equal to 0, when x equals to 0. Okay, given that this y 0 when x equal to 0, particular solution, just simple. It is also of which format? Not just write dy by dx equals to 2 to the power minus y minus 1 upon x plus 1. Not variable separable format. No, it is variable separable format, because this is the function of y and this is the function of x. Separable format. So very simple. Okay. So dy 1 upon 2 e to the power minus y minus 1 dy equals to 1 upon x plus 1 dx. Variable separable format. Very simple. So integrate on both sides. Integrating on both sides, we get integration of 1 upon 2 e to the power minus y minus 1 dy equals to integration of 1 upon x plus 1 dx plus some constant. Okay. So here how can we integrate like this function? Just e to the power y is involved here, so we also require e to the power some y in numerator. So multiply numerator and denominator by e to the power y. That is, we can write like this: e to the power y dy upon 2 minus e to the power y dy. Okay. We can write like this, na? Just multiply by e to the power y in numerator and denominator. E to the power y upon 2, e to the power y into e to the power y, cancel out minus e to the power y. This dy equals to here log x plus 1 Just we can take also it as log c. So log xc like this. No, log x plus 1 plus log c. So it can be integrated. If we take this is t, 2 minus e to the power minus y equals to t implies minus e to the power minus y zero minus e to the power minus y dy equals to dt equal to e to the power not e to the power y, sorry, e to the power y. E to the power y. So 0 minus e to the power y dy equals to dt. E to the power y dy equals to dt. Clear? This minus of this, that is minus dt. Okay, so minus dt upon t equals to log of x plus 1 into c implies minus log of t. Okay, minus log of t equals to log of x plus 1 c. Okay, so implies log of 1 upon t, t means 2 minus e to the power y t, minus go to the power, so this is equals to log of x plus 1 into c. So from here we can get, from here we can get what? 1 upon 2 minus e to the power y equals to x plus 1 into c. Okay, so we can write just like what? 2 minus e to the power y equals to 1 upon c into 1 upon x plus 1. Okay, the solution is in terms of so this is, we can write like this, e to the power y equals to 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon c x plus 1. This is our solution. Okay, we can write solution like this. Clear? Now, when y equal to 0, now y equals to 0 when x equals to 0. So we get what? E to the power 0 equals to 2 minus 1 upon c 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. That is x0 y0. Solve it. 1 equals to 2 minus 1 upon c. So 1 by c equals to 2 minus 1 equals to 1 implies c equals to 1. C equals to 1. C equals to 1. So just put here. Thus, particular solution is, put c equals to 1 here. e to the power y equals to 2 minus 1 upon x plus 1 into 1. Okay. So this can be written as a simple form, just like e to the power y equals to 2x plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1. Clear? So here e to the power y equals to 2x plus 2 minus 1 upon x plus 1. So e to the power y equals to 2x plus 1 upon x plus 1. Y equals to log of 2x plus 1 upon x plus 1. This is the solution, particular solution. Okay, final particular solution. And x equal to naught minus 1. X equal to naught minus 1. Since x plus 1 is in numerator, denominator. This is which is the particular solution. Which is required solution. Okay, this is question 14. Now take question 15. So one question is remaining. Okay, and remaining 3 are objective type questions, multiple choice questions. Okay, so here just take question 15. 15 says that the population of a village increases continuously at the rate proportional to the number of if its inhabitants present at any time. Population increases it continuously proportional to the number present at any time. Inhabitants. Okay. If the population of the village was 20,000 in 1999 and 25,000 in the year 2004, what will be the population of the village in 2009? So 1999 to 2004 means 5-year gap, and 2004 to 2009 this 5-year gap. So there are 3 conditions are given. Okay. In here in 1999 t equals to 0 and population is what? 20,000. In 2004, that is t equals to 5 years, if this is initial. Okay, initial. Y equals to 25,000 in 2009. In 2009, t equals to what? 10. Counting. This is 0, this is 5 year, then 10 year. Y equals to, we have to find this. Clear? So, in 15 questions, if at any instant t the population is y, then according to condition, given condition, we get what? dy upon dt is proportional to y. Initial condition y. Okay. So this implies dy upon dt equals to constant of proportionality, where k is constant, where k is constant. Clear? Now we have to solve it. Very simple. dy upon y equals to k dt, integrating on both sides. We get what? Integration of 1 by y dy equals to integration of k dt plus c. So this implies log of y is equals to kt plus c. Clear? Log y. Now there are two constants, c and k. By using these two conditions, we can get k and c. Okay, so this is equation 1. Clear? Since for t equals to 0, y equals to 20,000, therefore log of y means 20,000 equals to k into t, k into 0 plus c, implies c equals to log of this. Clear? And using second condition, okay, as for t equals to 5, second condition, y equals to 25,000, therefore from 1 we get log of 25,000 equals to 5k plus c. C implies log of 25,000 equals to 5k plus log of 20,000. Put the value of c. So from here we see that 5k equals to log of 25,000 minus log of 20,000, that is log of 25,000 upon 20,000. 5k equals to, implies k equals to what? 30 cancel, 5 by 4, okay. So here k equals to 1 by 5 log 5 by 4. This is the value of k. So constant c and constant k. Now put this value in general solution. Okay. Thus, the particular solution is log of y equals to kt, k 1 by 5 log 5 by 4. This is k t plus c log of 20,000. Okay, this is particular solution. But we have to find the value of y at t equal to 10. In 2009, t equals to 10. So we get here log of y equals to, we have to find the value of y. Here 1 by 5 log 5 by 4 into t. T means what? 10. 10 plus log of 20,000. So here 10 by 5 means 2 log of 5 by 4 plus log of 20,000. Here log of 5 by 4 square, go to power, plus log of this. Here log y. Log y. So we can find the value of log y. How? Log a plus log b, log a into b, that is log 25 by 16, 5 square, 4 square into like this. Now y equals to, we can find value. Okay. So this implies y equals to 25 into 20,000 upon 60. This is the value of y. Okay. So 31250. 31250. You can solve it. 31250. Okay. 25 into 20,000 upon 16. You can get like this. This is the value of y. Okay. So this is the question 15. Now remaining 3 questions are of multiple choice type questions. 16, 17 and 18. So these are very simple questions. Just you have to solve in detail. Now I am giving hint for this question. Okay. General solution of this. This is 16. What is given? Y dx minus x dy. Y dx minus x dy upon y equals to 0. Okay. Y dx minus x dy upon y equals to 0. What is the general solution of this? So very simple. This is what? We can say that y dx equals to x dy. Y equal to 0. This y dx. So dx by x equals to dy by y. Dy by y, dx by x. So integration plus c. Y log y equals to log x plus log c. Suppose log c this is. So y equals to x into c. Y equal to x into c. So y equal to x into c. Option C is correct. Clear? C is correct. Now, general solution of differential equation. This we know. 17. Just linear differential equation. Dx upon dy plus p1x equals to q1. This type of given. Okay. Solution of dx by dy plus p1x plus q1. What is the solution? X. So x into if equals to integration of what? q1 into if. If means you know d here x. So y plus c. So we can write if what? Integration p1 and q1 are function of y. So integration p1 dy equals to integration of q integral of e to the power integral of p1 dy plus c. This is given in option C. Okay, so C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Now, last question is what? 18. 18 is e to the power y e to the x dy. 18 e to the power x dy plus y e to the power x plus 2x plus y e to the power x plus 2x dx. Y e to the power x plus 2x dx equals to 0. Its general solution. Just we have to find its general solution. So first of all, just write dy by dx. Okay. So this is equal to this, means e to the power x dy equals to minus e to the power x y to the power x plus 2x dx. Just transfer to right hand side. Now we can write dy upon dx here, and right hand side will be e to the power x minus y to the power x plus 2x upon e to the power x. So just divide it. So minus y, the rest cancel, minus y minus 2x by e to the power x dy by dx is equals to. Okay. So it is what? Dy by dx plus y equals to minus 2x upon e to the power x, e to the power x. This in which form? Dy by dx plus p y equals to q, where p equals to 1 and q equals to minus 2x upon e to the power x. So linear differential equation of first order first degree. So its solution is what? We know its solution is, first of all you have to find if. If equals to e to the power integration of p d x, that is e to the power integration 1 dx e to the power x. Just get if equal to this. So its solution is, so its solution is what? Y into if equals to integration q if dx plus c, just like this. Okay, so y if e to the power x and integration q minus 2x upon e to the power x into e to the power x dx plus c. So ex cancel. So minus 2 integration of x dx plus c. Just we get like this. Okay. Y e to the power x. Now y e to the power x equals to minus 2 x square by 2 plus c. So we get y e to the power x equals to minus x square plus c. So this is the solution. This is given in y e to the power x plus x square. Y e to the power x plus x square equals to c. This is given in option C. Option C. Also its solution is C option. Right. Multiple choice question. This is general solution. Okay. So miscellaneous exercises complete of chapter 9. Very important chapter. And calculus part of 12th class mathematics, that is from chapter 5 to 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All are completed. Okay. So for today's attendance, you have to send me solution of at least 3 questions. Okay.